everyone! Welcome to another episode of IELTS with Kashif. I'm Aisha, and today we have a super interesting topic that I know all of you are going to love. It's something we all do, no matter where we are or what we're doing. We're talking about your day. It may seem like a simple thing, but you'd be surprised how many people find it tricky in the IELTS speaking section.
That's right, Aisha. The topic might sound simple, but trust me, it's one of the most useful and common topics in the IELTS Speaking Test, and it's something that'll make you feel comfortable while speaking. So we're diving into how you can talk about your day in the most engaging way, and yes, we'll share some tips along the way.
Exactly. It's an easy one to talk about, but there's a real art to doing it well, especially when it's for IELTS. So let's start by thinking about the structure of your day. You wake up, maybe have breakfast, go to work or school, but how do you tell that story in a way that impresses the examiner?
Right, Aisha. So let's start with the basics. In IELTS, you'll often get a question in part 1 about your daily routine, and the examiner might ask you something like, "Can you tell me about your typical day?" It's a chance for you to show off your fluency and describe things clearly. But here's the thing. You don't want to just say, "I wake up, go to work, and then sleep." That's too simple, right?
Exactly. You have to add detail. You can talk about the little things that make your day unique. For example, instead of saying, "I wake up early," you could say, "I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. because I like to have a peaceful start to my day. I spend a few minutes just stretching and having a cup of warm tea before I rush into my tasks." This gives a little more life to your answer.
That's a great point, Aisha. And remember, it's not just about what you do during the day, but also how you describe it. You want to use descriptive language to paint a picture. For example, you could say, "I love how the first few moments of my morning are calm and serene. The sound of birds outside my window and the smell of my coffee brewing are the little things that make my day start on a positive note." Now that's a much more engaging answer.
Totally. And when you're talking about your day, it's really important to show variety in your language. Use different tenses like present simple, present continuous, and even past tenses when talking about something you did earlier in the day. For example, at 10 a.m., I'm usually in the middle of a meeting discussing the latest project with my team. Then you can follow up with something from earlier. "This morning, I spent some time reading before work." Yes, and another tip is to talk about the feelings behind your activities. Let's be real. Everyone has those days where things don't go as planned. For example, if your day is stressful, don't shy away from mentioning it. You could say, "Today was quite challenging because I had back-to-back meetings. It was exhausting, but I got a lot done, and that gave me a sense of achievement." Or if it's a good day, you could express that as well. Like, "Today was one of those rare days where everything went smoothly, and I felt really accomplished by the end of it."
Exactly, Aisha. And when you're describing things, try to avoid sounding robotic. Use fillers like "actually," "to be honest," or "I mean" to make your speech sound more natural. But remember, don't overdo it. You want your speech to flow, not get stuck in too many fillers.
Right, Kashif. And finally, don't forget to talk about your evening routine or how you end your day. Sometimes it's the small details that can really help with fluency. For example, after a long day, I like to unwind by watching a bit of my favorite TV show. Then I prepare a light dinner, and finally I read a book before heading to bed. This simple flow shows not only your daily routine, but also your ability to speak smoothly and continuously.
Exactly. It's all about flow and making your day sound engaging. So, to sum it up, when you're talking about your day, make sure you give details, use different tenses, talk about your feelings, and don't forget to add variety in your language. Your goal is to sound natural and confident.
Absolutely. And the more you practice speaking about your day, the better you'll get at it. Just remember to stay relaxed and use these tips to add life to your answers. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope these tips will help you ace the speaking section of the IELTS exam.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of IELTS with Kashif. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in for more tips. And as always, take care, stay confident, and keep practicing.